All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Today's webinar is take a look on the Warpage validation, which I am going to share a few case studies of the Warpage validation. So this is outline of today's convention, the outline of today's webinar topic, and I'm going to talk about the DFN, design for manufacturing, also the root cause of warpage, and also share the case study with of the warpage. All right. The first one is in the past, usually the company or users they once they finish the design freeze, and they send the model to the simulation or tooling guys, which most of the time the warpage issue already designed in, and that is why there's a back and forth between design and versus simulation before they kick out the tool. So nowadays, more and more people are trying to run simulation. Mike, are you guys able to hear me? Mike, if you are not able to hear me, it could be your problem. You might want to check your microphone. Okay. And now, that more and more people are trying to run simulation in the early design phase. When they start to have a concept of initial design, they are running more iterations in the early design phase, which means they are able to optimize most of part design. So they are able to provide a better part design to the tooling group. So tooling group, they are able to, based on the part design, start to build the tool, runner, cooling channel, mode design. So the process engineers, they could have a bigger process windows. And basically, the reason the cost of warpage is because of uniform material shrinkage. Why there is uniform material shrinkage is because the uniform density. And what are the reasons caused on uniform density? It could be caused of part design or gating. And here are the different reasons caused the warpage.